Hey everyone, this is Angie at StampingWithAmore. Welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, hit that bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. Give it the thumbs up if you like it, and please share because all those things really help my channel. I know you hear it from all YouTubers all over, but it does really help our channels and help things to get out. And so I really appreciate it. Thank you in advance for all that. And today is card day, but we have a quick and easy today. So I'm sharing this really cute little quick and easy. Since I've already introduced you to this little guy right here, I thought I'd do another project for Halloween. This is super easy and quick. I've done something similar to this, but when I saw these little Kit Kats, look how cute they are. They have the little skeleton on it, and he's got a little bow on it that looks like it's a gorgeous grape. So I gave this little guy 1, 2, but it's so fun and so easy to make. These are such great little party favors or just a little treat, classroom treat, anything like that would be really cute for. So this is what I'm sharing today. I am using the Bag of Bones, and this is the stamp set right here. Y'all put this on your wish list because it is so darn cute. I love how you can dress him up in different hats, and there's a little dog, a cat. It's just so cute. And look at all these pieces that you get with these dies, and I pulled him out and the little bow tie, so I have that over here in the side. But there's so many things that you can add for this. There's a little top hat, and it's got everything. There's little bats here, the moon. And in fact, I was going to use the moon on that one because they have one here, but then I decided to, since I put that on my other one, I decided not to use that. The cowboy boots, the hat, little tennis shoes. Oh my gosh, there's so much, y'all. So cute. So these go live September 6th with the new catalog. Be watching because my haul, it's probably gone out already. It's either going to be Monday or Wednesday, the day after you see this. So keep an eye out for those because I'm going to share all the things I got in my new haul for the September-December catalog. Okay, then I'm also, for the tag, I'm using the tailor-made tags, which I love these. There's so many uses for these. All right, so let's get started with this. We're going to make the tag and everything first, and then I'll share. This is a slider box, by the way. These all slide out, but they're not going to slide out because I have the ribbon on here, but I'll show you that when we get to it. So what you are going to need for this is, I'm using Gorgeous Grape again. You need 2 pieces, 1 window sheet and 1 regular cardstock. I'm using Gorgeous Grape. These are both 5 by 4, and then you need a piece on the inside. It's 4 by 4, but I did cut a little sliver off, so cut like an 1/16 of an inch off, just a little sliver off to make it a little bit easier to slide in and out. You'll see if you leave it at 4 by 4, it's going to be a little bit tight. So when you do that, go ahead and just take off a little sliver off of it. All right, so that's what you're going to need for the box. And then I am going to go ahead and stamp. I already cut out the tag, which is, I did it in very vanilla because he stands out really good because I'm stamping him in basic white and the little bow, and these are the dies we're going to use to cut them out. So let's use our Memento Black. By the way, y'all, you don't have to stamp him black. I even thought about stamping him the Gorgeous Grape, but then I wanted to put the Gorgeous Grape bow on him since it's on the little Kit Kat. So I went with the basic black, or the Memento Black. So we're going to stamp him. And isn't he so cute? Oh my gosh. You know, I don't do a whole lot of Halloween, but this year with this stamp set, I've got a couple that I'm going to be using. They're so darn cute. And I like the cutesy Halloween, but I'm not really into the scary. I never really do any scary. So, and when I saw him, I thought, how cute was he? So we are going to take these out, these little pieces that are still in there. I'm going to line him up with the die, and then I'm going to do the bow. and I will be right back with all of this all cut out and ready to go. Okay, there he is. Isn't he so cute? Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Here's the bow. Let's go ahead and glue his bow on while we have it right here. It's a little bit hard. It might take your pick tool would help for this. So we want to put his bow on. All right, we're going to set it no, let's go ahead and do the boo to you, because I needed him to line it up. I'm going to go ahead and use Memento Black again. I almost did that. You know what? I'm going to do it in Gorgeous Grape. I don't know. Let's try something a little bit different. I showed it to you in the black, so let's go ahead and do it. Okay, let's go ahead and stamp that. I'm going to put him on here. I'm going to do the boo to you. Make sure that's stamped up real good. Yeah, that's cute. I'm going to use dimensionals to put him on there, pop him up. I'm only putting 2 on there because his little legs are going to just dangle. So we're going to put that on there. All right, so look at that's all done and ready to go. So let's go ahead and make our box. We're going to score this. And we are going to score this. It's very easy scoring. It is 1/2 and 4.5. And that's on the 5-inch side. Don't worry, I'll put this all in the inspiration sheet. If you're new, I do an inspiration sheet on my blog. You can copy and download and print. So this one's the same. It's 1/2 and 4.5. I like using this for the acetate, our window sheet, because it goes deep into those grooves and it makes it really easy to, you know, see the line and score it. I know if you do it on a regular trimmer, like our trimmer, it doesn't score deep enough. So this one I can't see. There we go. And then these. And then all you're going to do is you're going to use some tear and tape. And you're going to put it on the inside here. On both sides. And then we're going to add our window sheet. Let's remove these backings. I'll do this one first. Now when you're putting this on, don't go past your score mark because you need it to fold up. So just above that score mark. And then we're going to remove this. These really go together super fast. And then you're just going to line this one up. Again, don't go past your score mark. All right, so look how easy and simple that is. Now here's where I told you if you cut a little bit off, it'll slide in and out really nicely. So we're gonna grab our candy. By the way, this is the bag of candy that I got. They're starting to get out a lot of Halloween candy. And look at how cute. It looks just like our little guy. And look at the top hat. We could have put a top hat on him and made him exactly like that, because we have a top hat in there. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to use some Stampin' Seal Plus. You can use this regular Stampin' Seal. I'm just going to put some going down like that. And we're just going to set these on here. They'll come off really easy. And just line them up on here. I didn't even realize the top hat was there until I just pulled out that big package, but I could see it on here now. That would be super cute. All right, so we're going to just slide that in. Look how easy it goes in now. I'm using this is the Orchid Oasis ribbon. And we are going to tie this on here. I'm going to actually tie a knot first. Not a knot, but I'm going to tie it first. It makes it easier to tie the tag on. For me it does. And we're going to put the tag on. You can put even a little like Whimsical on him. It would make him a little shiny. It'd be so cute. There's so many things you can do. Okay, we need to scoot that over. And we're going to tie this one on here. And then I'm going to tie a bow. I made it a little bit too long. This stuff, you can also like shred the edges like that, and you could pull these all apart. If you want to get real fancy, there's a lot of things you can do to put a little extra in it. Let's see, I need to cut that a little bit shorter. But that's it, y'all. There you have it. Super quick and easy. And isn't it fun? And they're so easy to do. That's what I love. And you can make a bunch of them. So it'd be really, really fun to do. I hope you enjoyed it. If you need any supplies, you can shop on my blog at StampingWithAmore.com. There's my host code. And I hope you have a great day. Thank you for watching. And I'll catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone. Bye.